Hey everybody, it's Dr. Rahimi here and working with my friends at the Suture Buddy. And today we're going to continue with our fruit series and show you why it's probably not a good idea to practice suturing on a fruit skin. Today we have a banana here with a preformed laceration and we're going to try to put in a simple interrupted suture. Alright, so got some flesh there, but here's our first row. Always reload your needle, don't take all the bites at once. Lift the skin up again and go right in about the same. Got my tail, and let's go into our first throw. So here, it doesn't really bring anything together. It rips right through. It ripped right through there. It does not give you the same turgor as real human skin would, so probably not a good idea to practice on a banana.